Usually the best place to start is we'll do an NP and K, so that'll give you nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, and your pH level. You have to be careful. There's different types of glyphosate.
Got a nice little plug there. Okay, so we're out here taking soil samples today, guys, for our food plot. So we've got 2.5 acres, plus or minus a little bit, and we've got to take 15 to 20 soil samples throughout the area, mix them together, and then send them in to the OSU Extension office or whoever we decide to use. So we got our little probe here. We're going to take the top 6 inches of the soil, put it in our bucket here, which we've already kind of started, mix it up, and then once we get their bag, you only fill that bag up with what they require to do it, of the mixture of everything. So let's get started. Sandy that is. I don't know why nothing grows in it.
Very sandy.
little dirt tin.
Horsefly stuff working?
A little bit.
Yeah.
Hit something.
Rock?
Yeah.
Maybe go to your right?
Back here.
Could be a root.
How many was that?
That's 11.
Will you do some for me? Go straight down. Spin it through. There you go.
13.
How did Jack make this look so easy?
Now we're at 15. That was 15.
do that. Move up here. I'll pull up to the side. Right here to the left. Right here. Yeah.
Is that good?
17 or 16?
17.
17.
Walk out. Just walk out there a little ways. I know we got one over here somewhere, but just get one. Get one right there.
That's 18. 18.
Let's see, we got one right there. Didn't we get one over there?
Mm-hmm.
Or go straight right there. Go. No, we just went over there. Go right here. Like right here. Then we get one more after this. We'll go back over in that
That's all I'm seeing, huh?
area. They might be like, you can't grow nothing out there.
Got a plasma here on a foothold.
That's 19.
All right, get in. We're just gonna go around there and get one more kind of in the middle. No, we got one somewhere right there. I'm right about.
We got one out there.
Did we get one like right here?
No, it was right out here, Dad.
Okay, then come get one like right here.
This is the last one.
Yeah.
Number 20.
Hold on, let me see if this is where I got mine.
You went over by that tree when you got it.
No, okay. Get one somewhere right there. Do right here. Knock it out of the way a little bit of the dirt. There you go. Get 100.
Is that 34?
That's 20.
Alright, we can go home. Dad, I got the best words to ask you. Did you bring me water?
Okay, so today, guys, we're here at the OSU Extension Center to turn in our soil to get some soil samples for our food plot.
Typically, there's a whole office full of this. Today, I'm less. So you'll need to put your name, address, and phone number on there.
Okay.
And what are we testing for?
I don't know. So what I'm trying to do is just for deer food plots.
Okay.
So I don't know what we need to.
Okay. So probably the best place to start is we'll do an NP and K. So that'll give you nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, and your pH level.
Sounds right.
So we don't give recommendations of what you can plant.
Okay.
We will give you recommendations on what you need to add to the soil to get things to grow.
Okay.
So typically how we run a food plot is we run it as a garden,
Okay. Right.
which is basically kind of what it is. And then so that gives you what fertilizer you need to put down and if you need to add any lime or anything like that.
Okay. Beautiful.
So, all right.
Are you doing this?
Yeah, I'll do that.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah. And if you don't mind, you can take that outside and just
dump it
fill
in
it
there.
in.
Okay.
Yeah. And you'll probably have some left in your bag
Oh,
once
yeah.
you get full. So.
Will you help me, please?
Yes.
You want to be the bag holder?
Yeah,
Or the dumper?
could be the bag holder. It's a whittle bag. your sand.
I think that's enough. We're gonna sell this. We'll sell this. Is that too much?
Nope,
Or is that
that's
good?
perfect. Right. And it's $10.
Right. Heck of a deal. Heck of a deal.
Alright. Things you might plant.
I think winter wheat grows in about anything.
Winter wheat grows in about anything. Oats.
Rye.
Oats and rye
yeah.
will grow in about anything. Millet will grow in
Okay.
just about anything.
Whoever I talked to on the phone said about 10 to 14 days or
Yes.
so. Okay.
Yeah.
Like Roundup, Glenpool, which is
Glyphosate.
Does it only stay in the ground for like a couple weeks or so?
So you have to be careful.
Okay.
There's different types of glyphosate, so different types of Roundup. There's, you'll just have to read on the bottle because some Roundup will actually stay in for over a year.
So what am I looking for?
So you're gonna just want, like, don't buy Roundup Max or any, like, you just want Roundup if you're gonna spray glyphosate.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's so many different ones. There's like Pro and
Like she said, Max.
And it'll say on the bottle
Mhm.
how long it
Oh, it
stays
will?
in the
Okay,
soil.
okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So just read on there, and typically, like, you want something that's gonna stay like 2 or 3 weeks.
right.
So yeah,
Okay.
Yeah.
Good deal. Is that it?
that's it.
Thank you so
You are
much.
good to go. Thank you guys.
Have a
Thank
great day.
you.
You too.
Okay, so we got our soil sample dropped off. They said it'll be about 10 to 14 days for us to get the results back, and then they'll let us know what fertilizers we need to apply to the soil to make it good to grow what we're trying to grow. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit that like button and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.